In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping rates to your Shopify store. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you have a product ready to go. So I've just added this from CJ Dropshipping. I've got another video about that if you want to watch that. I've added all the price in, I've added everything in like that. Now, what you want to do from here is you want to go to settings. And from settings, you want to go to shipping and delivery. So click on that. So first of all, there's a general shipping rate. So general all products. This is the profile that every single product is going to fit into, unless it has like special criteria, in which case you would put it into this thing where you'd create new profile. So I'm going to show you this first. So first of all, I'm going to go into here and click manage. So this has all products and it has the shipping zones. So it has EU, so this is all the EU countries. It has international, so it has all of these countries. It has United Kingdom. Okay, and it shows you how many countries here are not in these regions. So if you've got like specific countries you want to sell to, then make sure you include them in here. So first of all, I want to go down here and let's go to United Kingdom, and I'm just going to show you a few settings. So first of all, you can edit the zone if you want to. So if you wanted to call this like United Kingdom and America, you could type that in there, and you could also then select like United States, wherever that is. You could select that here, and that would be like a joint zone if you wanted to do that for some reason. Next thing you can do is you can go into the different rates here. You click edit, and here we go. So we have the transit time. You can either go standard or you can do custom flat rate. So this is where you would like customize it yourself. So you put the name in here. This is what customers will see. So I'll put standard shipping, and I like to be something like tracked and insured. Maybe put like the time in there, 48 hours or 1 to 2 days, whatever the shipping time takes. Give as much information as you can while making it still, easy to understand. So next we have the price. How much does it cost for this shipping rate? So I'm going to say $2.95 for this one, or you can just say free. If you want free, just put 0 and it will pop up as free. Now, you can either leave it like this and just have that, so every single item will be able to have this, or you can add conditions. So based on the item weight or based on the price. So say you want items that weigh under 10 pounds, for example, to use this shipping method. You can put the max weight as 10 pounds, which means anything over 10 pounds will not be accepted in this. Likewise, if you want it to be like above 10 pounds, you could be like above 10 pounds, and then you could leave that blank, it'd be no limit. So things above 10 pounds in weight would be available here. Now, you can also do this based on price, and this is also 10 pounds, but 10 pounds is in the currency. So you could say the minimum order is 10 pounds, means that you get access to this. Or alternatively, you could do the maximum price as like £50, and it means anything more than £50, they'll not be able to access this. Now, there's many reasons you might want to do that. For example, if you want to offer like free shipping, what you would do is say, if you had like free shipping over £40, you'd put 40 in here, no limit here. And that would mean if somebody's order was £40 or more, then they would get free shipping. Now, remember to edit every single one of these and ensure that the countries that you actually care about and the ones you're actually shipping to have this all changed to them. That's pretty important. So once you're done, you can hit save. Now, what we need to do to activate some other countries. So at the moment we only have the UK activated because that's our primary market. So if you want to activate the different countries like here, you need to activate them in the market. So we need to click go to markets here. And to do that, otherwise you would go down to settings and you would go to markets. Now, what you can do here, you can see that all these different markets are available here. We can go set this one to active, hit save, and then it's going to say your store will recommend localized experiences. So basically when you jump on the store, you're going to get a flag of your country and it's going to offer to change the currency or whatever. If I go back, it's going to show you European market. That's also inactive, so you want to activate that one. So I'm going to change to active here. And for this one, for example, products and pricing, we probably want to change this to like euros or something like that. To do that, it says Shopify payments is required to manage base currency, so we have to enable that. But what you could do is you could put base currency, and then you can adjust the price by like 10% for euro, for example. You can also click here and show prices to customers in the local currency. Now again, we need to have Shopify payments set up to do that. So I'm going to leave page. But it's very essential that you turn these on to be able to offer shipping to these countries, because if you don't, the shipping option will not pop up. Now, shipping rates here, you can see all the different countries. So if you want to like look at Spain, for example, to make sure that's set, you can click Spain. You can look at the rate that's available. Okay, standard international, it's 2 to 11 days. Okay, this works. And you can also click manage and shipping there like that. So that's very important if you want to ship to international places, not just your base or primary market. So if we go back to shipping and delivery, you can change the processing times here. So standard processing time, you can add to the date if you'd like to. So you can same day, next day, 2 business days. And this is how long it takes you to process an order. So that's when someone places the order to how long till it gets shipped out, basically. Handed to the carrier, as they say. So you can change that depending on what it is. And it's better to give customers as much information as possible so they don't have to look, and so they definitely purchase from your store. Now, another option here is you have local deliveries, which is like you deliver it. Now, there's other apps for this, which you can look at, all of these ones here. But I wouldn't recommend doing this unless you have like specific needs for it. Another option you can do is local pickup. Now, this is if you have a physical location. So I can click here like this, and I can click this location offers local pickup. So expected pickup time. You can change the expected pickup time. So usually ready in 1 hour, 24 hours, 5 days. This is if you have a storefront. It says shop location here, so the location of your store would automatically be put in here, so you would change that in the location settings. But it would say your address here, and it'd be like pick up, usually ready in 24 hours, and then you will notify them once you mark the order as ready, they can come and collect it. Now, there's some pickup instructions here. Bring your confirmation email when you come collect your order. You can put something in here up to 255 characters, so that's very useful. I'm going to leave this page. Now, there are other apps you can get for delivery. So if you have like specific delivery rules, which are like a bit weird, you can add them in. And you can also set it up so you can buy and create your labels in Shopify. So every time someone orders a product, it automatically makes like a DPD label or an every label, which is pretty useful. You can also customize packing slips. I have an edit here. This is in HTML and CSS, but you can go in here and there's the editors online, so you can change all of this stuff. Other than that, that's pretty much everything you need to know. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.